Thanks for hanging with me. I'm Mr. Herman. Are we ready to learn? Let's go. In this nibble, we're breaking down one of the most influential governments in history, the Roman Republic. You'll see how power was shared, how laws were written, and how the people of Rome shaped their political world. By the end of this video, you'll be able to describe how the Roman Republic worked, compare the roles of patricians and plebeians, and explain why the 12 tables were so important to the Roman society. So, what exactly is a republic? After throwing out their kings, the Romans decided they didn't want one person to hold all the power again. Instead, they created a republic, a system where citizens voted for leaders to represent them. It was based on elections, participation, and public service. But not everyone had equal say. Only free male citizens could vote. Still, this was a big step away from monarchy and towards something new. The Roman Republic had a clever system to prevent any one group from becoming too powerful. At the top were the consuls, two elected leaders who served 1 year terms and had to agree with each other. Then came the Senate, made up of wealthy landowners called Patricians who advised and influenced decision making. There were also assemblies where regular citizens voted on laws. This whole setup is called a system of checks and balances. Each part had power, but also limits. Sound familiar? Yep, our government took a few ideas from these guys. Now, let's talk class conflict, Rome style. Patricians were the elite, wealthy landowners with all the influence. Plebeians were the farmers, artisans, and merchants, the majority of the population. At first, patricians held all the political power, but the plebeians pushed back, demanding more rights. Over time, plebeians gained the right to elect their own officials, called tribunes, and participate more through the assembly. It wasn't perfect, but it was progress. One of the biggest wins for the plebeians, the 12 tables. These were Rome's first written laws, carved onto a bronze tablets and displayed in public for everyone to see. Why was this such a big deal? Because once laws are written down, no one can change them secretly. The 12 tables made it clear. Even the powerful had to follow the law. That idea that the law is above everyone is still a core principle in modern democracy. Okay, let's recap. Rome moved from kings to a republic where power was shared. Patricians and plebeians had very different roles, but both helped shape Roman politics. The 12 tables introduced the rule of law and inspired legal systems around the world. In the next video, we'll watch Rome expand its territory, but find out what they had to give up to do it. Until then, stay curious, stay focused, and as always, make today count.